Hello, I'm going to show you a few pointers about how to set up a Microsoft Word document in MLA format. Most of your teachers would or should require this, so this is a good basic video for you. First, you need to open a Microsoft Word document, a new document. Go up into the top menu to Format. Choose Document. This will let you change your margins. Please make sure they're all 1. MLA formatting requires 1-inch margins. If they're different, say they say 1.25, change them. If that comes up every time, you're going to want to reset your defaults. At the bottom there, once you've set up 1 inch all around, click on Default, hit Yes, and you should never have to change your margins again, unless you want to. Again, in Format, now we're going to make sure everything will be double spaced. Choose Paragraph. Then this menu will come up, line spacing is double, hit OK. Again in Format, now we're going to do Font. You should be in Times New Roman, regular 12-point font, always. You can change this to your default if you want, again. Now I don't have to worry about it. Alright, first thing, your first and last name. Hit return, then your teacher, whomever they may be, then your course and block. Most teachers require you to include your block there, and then the date. First the day itself, then the month, and then 2012. Hit return. Now we're going to create our title. You can center it using this button here, or you can use the shortcut Control-E. This will likely be your first MLA document for your outline for your CDW paragraph. So outline, Santiago, characterization, CDW paragraph. No fancy stuff allowed. Just keep it in that 12-point Times New Roman font. No bold, no italics. I'm sorry. It makes it simple, but it doesn't make it creative. Hit return. Make sure you're back on the left-hand side. You can use the button up top. Now we're outlining. The first part of the outline is the Roman numeral 1, which is a capital I. If you hit enter, the second one will be either 2 for a brand new header, or if it's a subheading, then you hit the tab button and then A. In this case, for this assignment, it would be your claim written out first, and then we're going to specify what you've already written in your claim. It's a little redundant, but title and author, whatever they may be. Then we hit tab, enter, and then tab again for B. This time we're going to put Santiago equals, and then whatever adjective it might have been that you're going to use to describe him. Again, all of this is just pointing out what you've already written in the claim. Enter again. Now the next heading, 2, going to be data 1. Make sure you put your quotation marks around your quote and include the page number in parentheses. Enter again. 3 for your warrant. Your first warrant. Remember, we have more than one data and so more than one warrant. Hit enter. You won't type anything next to warrant. Then tab A, B, excuse me. After A, hit enter. Then tab B, capital B, enter, tab, capital C. Your warrant should have 3 to 5 sentences and therefore 3 to 5 points that you're making. That's why we have A, B, and C. Enter again. 4 is data 2 with the page numbers in and quotation marks. Enter again. Number 5 is warrant 2. Tab for A, enter and tab for B, enter and tab for C. Enter again. You can type this in as you go, but I'm just showing you the general layout. 6, Roman numeral 6 for your conclusion. Type it out. you're good to go. If this were more than one page, you need to go back up to the top. In the very outside margins, double click. You're now in the header margin. You're going to create a header with page number. Go up to Insert, Page Numbers. Position is the top of page, you're already there. Number on the first page, right hand side, OK. Hit Control R or this button to move the cursor over to the right hand side. You type in your last name, double click to get back out of the header margin. This is all set. You don't have to do that anymore. So for instance, if after my conclusion or at some point I go on to the next page, voila, does it for me. You are all set to go.